last day here in SoCal. We figured we'd hit up one of the brands that both me and Simon like to run on our cars. So we're here at the Cusco facility and we're gonna check out their operation. Yo, what up, G2? Last stop. We've been gone for so long. We still have like 2 more weeks left. I want to go home after Stancewars. I have so much catching up to do.
Well, you'll be surprised the house more than this, but it's still we're pretty messy. Not much to do. I mean, that's our. We typically just stand around the seats in there, and then
Whoa.
Going back to Vancouver?
Yeah,
today?
Today.
Leaving
Well,
today?
we're going to stop in San Jose today first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then
stay one night.
So hopefully we go home on Monday.
Okay. There's their spoken events.
to that show that you mentioned. If you want, you can we can line it up or whatever. Australia, something.
Oh, this is cool.
That was from last year's scene on display. So we made a table with the shot tower on the cover.
Yeah, that's awesome.
We did Week Fest San Jose.
How is it?
It was,
It's hot out there, right?
it was warmer there too. It was. But you, a lot of them are.
The diff case is pretty, only few, but ring gear size, this size.
It will be done. Well, if everything is okay.
Size shop.
Holy man, yo, appreciate it. Thank you.
Crystal, bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now he told me again. I just asked him if it's alright to give you guys a souvenir.
Oh, thank you.
What? Thank you.
This is called a circuit spec, which is pretty mild setup per se.
You know, and that's wheels off all the time.
Yeah, she has a welded diff.
No, she's got an LC in it.
Oh.
That's in this room.
Oh, what?
Our circuit called Buckmiller. Oh, let me just give it a little bit. And then we have a strict rule. I have to look it in the Newton to convert it to the kg, and then I have to expand it in pound.
You can't just measure it from pounds. No,
We have a company rule, which was my intention. When they demonstrate in front of people, they typically.
yeah, I want to buy it.
This must be scary for a lot of people. What are you doing? Like, I know how to put it back. Like I said, the hours are actually open to anybody to crack open.
Mm-hmm.
You can modify yourself. It's just, it is difficult if you don't know what to do. Fundamentally, you want to have a thicker disc towards the side.
Okay.
Because bigger the mass it is, it can take more abuse.
Yeah.
Farther it has to be lighter. It's like you're holding a weight this far versus this. This is easier, this is harder, right? It's like that. We get maybe 3 to 4 def coming back here every week.
Okay.
For rebuild from a work challenge.
Yeah.
And then very last one, Miata, the ring gear came off because somebody hit them from the back. This is a Miata, and then crack open the def case, and then the oil started leaking. So they lost the oil, and then heat expanded enough that the ring gear beat the crap out of this. So when it got here, it was seized. And then I took apart and then washed, and then only thing I had to replace was one disc. That's it. I think it got hot as 600 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
And then The guy's, I don't think he'd survive. Like, hey, if he survived, okay. We could just say like,
So the casing was just battered. That was fine still, right?
yeah. Unfortunately for us, I guess it's like, cold forge case versus the cast that other people make. So their depth works. You just can't really abuse them. Our depth can take 300 Fahrenheit, which is pretty high.
Yeah.
Anything beyond, we typically ask you to apply the depth oil cooler.
Yeah.
But anyway, so this is called RS springs, and then it has that many. I came up with a 6 with 100% lockup and thing like that. So
Crazy puzzle.
yeah, make sure you guys post it. Like, yeah, the Cusco guy actually can rebuild the whole thing.
That's so dope. Cusco hooking it up. Wow. This was the Cusco girl mascot.
It's actually designed on that one card that was on
So just basically work like this. Alright, just imagine you put it in there, right? You tighten them until it gets snugged. And then that meets right there. So when you tighten them snug, go like this. And then if it stopped like that, that's good. You go back up and then give about half turn. Then just should be able to close it like this.
Okay.
Don't tie it too much.
Yeah.
Wrap the rubber.
I haven't actually seen it, but it's probably
Pleasure.
nice meeting you,
Yeah,
man.
absolutely.
Thanks for coming over, man.
Thanks for showing us around,
Nice
dude.
meeting you.
Great. Shout outs to Sam at Cusco for hooking it up with the Cusco stuff. And also, I figured since I'm here, I might as well just buy some parts to avoid the shipping and the custom costs. Now to fit this in the car somehow. So I got a rear tower brace and front sway bar. Hey. That'll work, bro. Yeah, man, for sure.
Try
Appreciate
to
it.
get out of LA area before 2:30.
Yeah.
230's our goal, man.
Yeah.
And we outed so much Cusco swag. But right now, one final meetup with BRZ Slut, aka Daniel, and we're gonna grab something to eat because we have yet to eat breakfast. My door. Sweet dude. Goodbye, goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye.
Later, man.
Yeah, of course.
Drive safe.
For sure, dude.
It's good meeting you guys.
Good enough, man.
All right.
Oh, what?
Jeez.
Burst it?
In 1 second. That's 10 million. Yeah. Appreciate it. See you guys.
Safe.
Alright, so I am 3 or 4 hours still away from San Jose. Since we're heading up back towards Seattle, we're going to be going back to NorCal and meeting up with the Lemonade Boys. And I am in, I have no idea actually, I'm just checking my GPS right now. Well, just says I'm about 3 hours away. I just randomly turned off and I'm getting gas right now. I'm also going to go inside there and I'm going to see what they have in store. I need water, perhaps ice cream, and I'm just going to refresh here. Seeing if there's anything in here I could use. This would actually come in handy. Wait. Maybe this. Alright, so my AC is not working, okay? So I need some sort of fan. And this is perfect. I just don't know how I'm gonna set this up inside my car. Alright, I'm gonna show you what I picked up. We got Rush Hour on DVD, House of Wax on DVD, and a Stephen King audiobook. I'm hoping that this is gonna last me the entire time. And these I'm just gonna listen to. Like, you know what? My imagination is so vivid that I'm okay with just listening. I let my mind envision the rest. Also, I'm gonna set this thing up, man. Oh, heaven sent, bruv. Hopefully this is enough to circulate cold, cooler air down here, because I can't handle this anymore. No AC in SoCal sucks. Of course, ice cream. Let's see how this works. Does it turn on? Is there a switch? Oh, so cool. Dude, this is so perfect. And it has adjustable speed settings. Oh, that is so nice. And a Stephen King audiobook. Let's go. Approximate time, 2 hours. That's perfect. Dude, I just fucking saw a piece of my body kit fly off my car. So I'm just hoping, praying to God that it isn't flattened. But I don't even know how far I stopped. All right. Oh. Fuck, dude. Found it. Alright, that can be fixed. Fuck, we found it. God damn, man. My car's so far. It's 110 degrees in Cali right now. I can't do this. Dude, what the fuck? We running, bro. Man, luckily, I noticed it. I thought I saw a little bird. Hey, what the heck? A 4-leaf clover. My car, dude. Well, at least these stayed on, kinda. Lame. Yay, we made it. We're here at the Lemonade House, and I got greeted with Jollibee. How awesome is that? Right. Huh? You gotta do the jingle. There is no jingle.
The Jollibee dance.
What? Oh yeah.
Partner on like, can you build
They had it on the wall at the in
Toronto.
Toronto.
Looking for a guy.
Yeah.
It was like the
Do you
50s.
care about
Jazz hands.
Another one.